So if you're happy to proceed, what we need to do is click onto settings, then look for general, scroll down to the bottom and you will see reset. We press here and we have erase all content and settings. So if we press that, it's asking for the passcode. I'll pop that in. It's asking again. This will delete all media and data and reset all settings. Erase iPhone. Similar message here, erase iPhone. And finally it asks for the Apple ID, which I'll just pop in now. Click erase and you will see an Apple logo with a progress bar beneath it. This signifies that the iPhone is being reset to factory settings. This normally takes around 5 minutes, however I have fast forwarded it so you can see what happens in this video.